Welcome to another fractions video. This time, we're gonna be sharing 4 cookies with 3 people. Let's see if we can figure out how to do it. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. Jordan and his 2 friends came home from school and found a snack of 4 cookies on the counter. How can the 3 friends share the cookies to make sure they all get the same amount? Here are our 4 cookies that he's gonna share with 3 people. There are enough cookies here for everybody to get one, so friend number 1 gets this one, friend number 2 gets this one, friend number 3 gets this one. We have 1 cookie left. Everybody can't get a whole nother one, so we need to do something to this cookie to make sure everybody gets the same amount. We're going to use fractions. We're going to divide this cookie into 3 pieces, so everybody gets 1 more piece. Friend number 1 gets this piece, friend number 2 gets this piece, friend number 3 gets this piece. We now need to figure out how many cookies each friend got to eat. Well, let's look at friend number 1. They got 1 whole cookie, but they also got a piece of this cookie. So we need to write a fraction. We're going to have our fraction bar. Our denominator tells us how many pieces it was divided into, 3. And our numerator says how many pieces he got, 1. Each person got 1 1/3 of a cookie. All right, let's try one more. Sydney brought 5 donuts to share with her friend at lunch. How many donuts would each friend get if they all get the same amount? We have our 5 donuts, and there's 2 people that are sharing them. So friend number 1 gets this one, friend number 2 gets this one. There's still enough donuts for them to get another whole one. So friend number 1 gets this one, friend number 2 gets this one. Our last donut, they have to share. There's 2 people, so they have to split that donut in half. So friend number 1 gets this half, friend number 2 gets this half. How many donuts did each person get? Well, friend number 1 got 1 whole donut and 2 whole donuts. So we're gonna put the number 2. They also got a part of this donut, which was a fraction, so we have our fraction bar. Our last donut was cut into 2 pieces, and they got 1 of them. So each friend got 2½ donuts.
Check out all our other videos on the channel. See you next time!